She was born July 4, 1990. Option B, on. She was born on July 4, 1990. He arrived the airport just in time. Option C, at. He arrived at the airport just in time. The manager is angry your behavior. Option A, with. The manager is angry with your behavior. He was sitting a tree. Option D, all the above options are correct. He was sitting under a tree, or below a tree, or beneath a tree. The bridge was built the river. Option B, over. The bridge was built over the river. He was accused stealing money from the locker. Option A, of. He was accused of stealing money from the locker. We stayed a small hotel near the beach. Option C, at. We stayed at a small hotel near the beach. She is fluent 3 languages. Option A, in. She is fluent in 3 languages. The bus was crowded students. Option D, with. The bus was crowded with students. She was absent school yesterday. Option B, from. She was absent from school yesterday. We reached the village sunset. Option D, by. We reached the village by sunset. The teacher is strict discipline. Option A, about. The teacher is strict about discipline. The child was afraid the dark. Option C. Of. The child was afraid of the dark. The report must be submitted Friday. Option D. By. The report must be submitted by Friday. The book consists 5 chapters. Option B. Of. The book consists of 5 chapters. He is addicted video games. Option C. 2. He is addicted to video games. He was born a poor family. Option A. In. He was born in a poor family. She insisted paying the bill herself. Option C. On. She insisted on paying the bill herself. The car collided a tree. Option D. With. The car collided with a tree. He was disappointed his exam results. Option B. With. He was disappointed with his exam results. The manager is not satisfied your performance. Option C. With. The manager is not satisfied with your performance. She is known her generosity and kindness. Option A. For. She is known for her generosity and kindness. He is capable handling the situation. Option D. Of. He is capable of handling the situation. They agreed the terms of the contract. Option B. On. They agreed on the terms of the contract. Don't rely too much luck. Option C. On. Don't rely too much on luck.